punch you. I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna punch you. Are you not gonna defend yourself?
And I was dating someone, a bodyguard from Iran.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. This is Gazi Nahian and welcome back to my video. In general, I make conversation video for different purpose, such as inspiring people to learn English and exploring different culture. But anybody behaves disrespectfully towards me or towards any religion, I always try to respond them and speak up against it in different ways. Stay tuned to see what kind of topics I talked about in today's video. So let's check it out. Shalom, bro. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. You are in the IDF?
Yes.
Cool, cool. I love you guys. I love you guys.
منين وانت عربي؟
No, I don't know Arabic.
Hear my question. But ليش؟
Why did you skip, please? Why did you skip?
Can you answer my question, please?
I answered you, bro.
No.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Where is this?
It's just next to the Palestine.
Yeah. But there is no place named Palestine.
So have you grabbed all of the land of Palestine?
There is no Palestine, bro.
There is no Palestine. I got you. So what is this? What is this?
It is Israel's flag.
Do whatever you want. You wanna me?
Hi.
How's it going?
It's going pretty good.
Oh,
What about you?
amazing. I'm doing also fantastic.
That's great.
Where are you from?
Israel.
All right. I'm from United States of America, but my origin from different country.
Like
Which country?
Can you guess?
Ah,
Lebanon,
You've been very close.
Syria.
Pakistan,
Mm, very close. Very close. In the Middle East.
in the Middle East, Iran.
Yes, I'm
Are you
from Iran.
Persian?
Yes, I'm from Iran.
Oh my God, you're Persian?
Yeah, but I born in USA, honestly.
Persian. Wait, so
My boyfriend is Persian, and I was dating someone, a bodyguard from Iran.
You from Jewish religion? What religion you belongs to?
I'm Jew.
Oh, you're Jew. So
Jewish.
you had a date with an Iranian boy?
Yes, Muslim.
Okay, cool.
it's your choice.
Do you have a still relationship with the man?
No,
I-
no, they broke
Right
up.
now, no. איך אומרים את זה? אני לא...
Where did you meet him?
They only went out on a date. They didn't actually
Yes.
were in a relationship.
No, in Israel or in Iran, or where did you
In
meet
Israel.
him?
We are talking.
Ah, in chatting, through chatting.
Yes, yes.
Okay. But why did you not meet him? Why did you not invite him?
איך אומרים הכרתי אותו?
They met.
הכרנו אותו, כאילו הכרתי אותו.
I met him.
I met him.
I know.
talked to him.
Oh, when the war started, your relationship has been cancelled.
No, הוא היה בסדר עם זה שאני מישראל. והוא
He was
חשב-
fine with the fact that she is from Israel.
Yes, and I was scared because he is איך אומרים לך? Soldiers.
Solder.
Iranian soldier.
Yes, and I was scared.
Is scared of what?
Okay, wait. תגידו לה שאני לא פחדתי
She was not scared of him. She was.
because
She don't scared
of him.
Job. It's job.
Yes.
It's like
I like him. ודיברתי איתו, והוא היה ממש בסדר עם זה שאני מישראל, תגידו לו.
They talked and he was fine with her being from Israel, but
Yes, and
she didn't.
he was so cute, but I was scared because איך אומרים, ירו לבתים שלנו.
Because they shot our houses and
Iran shoot אומרים? Shot to my
country.
space, her country.
Okay. That's why you canceled the relationship.
our lives.
If our people is a fake.
Who dropped the first in those countries, Iran and Israel? Definitely Israel started dropping the
But אתם תסתמו עכשיו את הפה ותתנו לי לדבר. If a person comes to you and says, I'm gonna punch you, are you not gonna defend yourself? They spoke a lot of years. They said so many times that they're gonna drop an atomic bomb on us.
You guys are keep spreading propaganda like you are provoking them to say this, and you start bombing in Iran. So it's their right to raise. Oh, wait. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going? You okay?
Yes.
Nice. Where are you from?
From Israel.
Amazing. I'm from USA.
Oh.
Huh? Shalom. Manishma. Ani wehebotak. Oh, nice. Sorry? No piggy what? What? Why you smiling? No need to be scared. Come on. You're so cute.
Come on. Come on. Silly video. Oh, start.
Listen to me. Can you teach me some
No.
some Hebrew?
Yes. Say. Shut the fuck up. Say ani.
Ani.
Shavuta.
Sorry?
Ani. Na. So na.
What does it mean? Can you explain a little bit?
This is mean I'm beautiful.
Wow. Okay. Say that again, please. In Hebrew.
Ani.
Ani.
Na.
Otak. Na. Free Palestine.
You bitch, you look like shit.
Stop.
God.
I
Fuck,
know.
You look like shit.
I know the meaning of that. Okay. Don't make us fool.
You're so fat. You're so fat.
Wait. Listen to me.